Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will show you how to change your Subaru Forester brake light. First, gather your tools, including a Phillips head screwdriver and the correct replacement bulb, which is typically a 7440 type. Always make sure your vehicle is turned off and the parking brake is set for safety. Then, open the rear hatch to easily access the taillight assembly on the side you need to work on. Now let's get that taillight assembly out. You'll see two Phillips head screws holding it in place. Go ahead and remove those. Once the screws are out, gently pull the entire taillight assembly straight back, away from the vehicle. It might feel a little snug, but it will come free. Finally, disconnect the electrical connector by pressing the tab and pulling it apart. Hey everyone, quick recommendation. If you're finding this video helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more useful guides. And on another note, if your car could use a refresh, grab a Little Trees Black Ice Air Freshener. It's a classic for a reason. You can find the link for that and other deals in the description below. Now let's get back to the video. With the taillight assembly free, it's time to replace the bulb. Locate the brake light bulb socket, which is usually the larger one. Twist it counterclockwise to unlock and remove it from the assembly. Then, carefully pull the old 7440 bulb straight out of the socket. Take your new 7440 bulb and firmly insert it into the socket, ensuring it's seated correctly. Now, let's put everything back together. First, reconnect the electrical connector to the taillight assembly, making sure it clicks into place. Carefully align the taillight assembly with its mounting points on the vehicle and gently push it back into position. Once it's seated flush, reinstall the two Phillips head screws you removed earlier to secure the assembly firmly.
Thanks for watching, stay juicy, and subscribe.